Happy New Year! I have this kiss, Filipino dessert, green beans, dessert, brownies, cookies, may fruit basket for good luck. Ayan. What did you call this? Meatballs. Meatballs with sweet and sour, ribs, apple pie, fruit salad, ubi puto plan, spaghetti sauce, and spaghetti. Ayan, Filipino snacks, at saka apple cider. Good luck for New Year 2026. Okay, that's my table right there.